The modern cartaway concrete business revolves around this ready-mix drum on a trailer. Used in conjunction with a cartaway material loading system, you can make profits of 50% or more with ready-mix concrete. The Cartaway Concrete Mix Trailer, or CMT, is the finest rotating drum equipment available today because of the components and construction methods employed exclusively by Cartaway. The key to quality concrete mixing is the drum of the Cartaway trailer. Into this drum is dispensed the sand, gravel, cement, and water to mix into concrete. With extra-large mixing paddles and the ability to rotate in both directions, the drum of this trailer can really get the job done. Using precision fabrication jigs, the Cartaway rotating drum is built with the quality workmanship that our customers have expected from Cartaway for 15 years. The smooth and durable finish on the drum is from powder coating, and this is another Cartaway exclusive. Powder coating will add years to your drum and will give the quality impression that you want in your community. At the front of the rotating drum are 4 bolts that attach the drum to the gearbox assembly. Each bolt floats on individual springs to soften the road shock and concrete blending. At the rear, the drum rides on 2 high-strength roller casters that contact the drum's rolling bar. Caster guards and a safety rollover hoop mounted directly to the trailer framework provide safety features to the unit. All of the functions of the rotating drum trailer can be controlled from a convenient rear-mounted panel. Cartaway is the creator of the gear saver knob to control the rotating direction of the drum. The gear saver gradually slows the rotation of the drum, eliminating the extreme torque from changing directions quickly. Other mixers damage gearboxes when the hydraulic lever is moved quickly between positions. This super torque event causes old gearboxes or shaft keys to break, leaving 4,000 pounds of concrete to set up in the drum. A broken gearbox is not an uncommon occurrence and is about $1,000 to replace. The other handle on the control panel controls the tilt frame movement up and down. It's easy to unload the concrete out of a CMT because the drum can be tilted down to pour the material out. Most of the concrete is removed by pouring from the mouth of the drum, but the final portion can be screwed from the drum by reversing direction of rotation. The highest stress point on the CMT is here at the gearbox and drum mounting shaft. Consider that nearly 4,000 pounds of concrete is pushing on these components while mixing a yard of wet concrete. That is why Cartaway includes the strongest gearbox available for this application. The Auburn gearbox is far stronger than many of the competitive gearboxes used by other drum manufacturers. The gear saver knob removes most of the stress placed on the gearbox, but we go one step further to protect the box from damage. Each Cartaway CMT uses a hydraulic motor that contains a built-in cross-port relief that acts as a safety valve during any high-torque events. The extra margin of safety for gearboxes and the reduced frustration caused by equipment failure are just the reasons why Cartaway sells more mixing trailers than all the other suppliers combined. Every Cartaway trailer uses a reliable Honda 11 horsepower engine to power the hydraulic systems. You will start the engine before loading the drum, and the customer will leave it running from the time they leave your location until they bring it back. The large gas tank will allow the mixer to operate without interruption for over 2 hours. Cartaway trailers come equipped with the VeriHeight adjustable tongue feature that allows easy hooking to the tow vehicle and saves unnecessary back strain. The CMT comes with a standard 2-inch ball coupler to hook to the tow vehicle, but other hitching options are available. Once the trailer is firmly attached to the hitch, the crank allows the trailer to be leveled for safe travel to the job site. The surge brake is the most common braking system in trailer manufacturing. Cartaway uses the Demco brand that is the most reliable actuator available to operate the 4-wheel braking system on the CMT. All Cartaway trailers include a free backing feature that releases the brakes so that you can back the trailers without brake resistance. Cartaway uses bearing buddies as standard equipment on every trailer to ease the lubrication of these critical components. The CMT frame is constructed using ASTM A500B tubular steel and A36 structural steel painted with a high-quality urethane paint. Stress points on the frame and other mounting points are gusseted for additional reinforcement. These frames are supported by two 3,500-pound rated axles on 15-inch wheels. The gross vehicle weight of this trailer is 7,000 pounds. A critical item in your purchase of a mixing trailer should be to know the payload capacity of your equipment. Payload is simply the difference between what the trailer actually weighs and the gross vehicle weight on the manufacturer's certification. Payload is important because you make your profit from the amount of concrete you can load into the drum on any trip. Demand to see a certified Weighmaster certificate from a mixing trailer supplier before you purchase. Don't just accept the salesperson's claim of 1¼ yard capacity trailers. Only the larger Cartaway XL can legally hold that much weight, and it is a 10,000-pound gross vehicle weight trailer. For your safety, include the weight of all holding tanks full of fluids, including hydraulic oil, gasoline, and water, or you will not have the correct figures for legal operation on the highway. An average 5-sack mix of concrete in the U.S. will weigh 3,834 pounds per yard. This information, coupled with the gross vehicle weight of the trailer, will tell you the legal concrete payload. Remember, payload equals profit. Another Cartaway exclusive is use of tandem flex fenders that are standard on each trailer. These fenders are thermal-formed polyolefin or TPO, the same material used on motorcycle and ATV fenders. Because of the flexibility and memory of plastic, you will not have the bodywork normally associated with dented metal fenders. After seeing thousands of dented metal fenders from poor backing skills, operators know that these plastic fenders are a huge maintenance savings on your trailer. The Cartaway 1-yard mixing trailer is truly in a class by itself in the trailer-based concrete industry. Using the best processes and components, the CMT100 will return your investment dollars with the least amount of risk. With the best warranty in the industry and the world's largest parts inventory, Cartaway is there to turn quality into concrete. Cartaway can help you decide which of our loading systems will work best for your area. Contact Scott Christ, the Cartaway Product Manager, for more information on the Cartaway Concrete opportunity. Please call 1-800-909-9809 today.